She goes so fast.
I know.
Frog.
Yeah. There's a cute picture of Mouse Pool.
I don't know how we go to a different one though. Oh, you can't just hit the button.
Look at her. Look at her little face.
Got as much attention span for this as she does for anything else.
Sometimes the refrigerator one, she used to do 1 for 1 on.
We got to cheese.
She used to go through the whole thing because then at the end they all dance.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh. Thanks you.
Is there? Do we need a tissue? No.
No, I think she's good.
Oh, okay.
Here. Oh. Yeah. No, that was our daddy's.
There's an art one too where she likes to.
I think that's the Doodle Buddy. Oh, there we go. See, you go like this. Oh. Oh. I don't know what you did, but the screen got really small.
Oh, way down by your right hand thumb, there's a 2 times.
Oh, there we go. No. Oh.
She's getting. You can get other things to put on it.
Yeah, she changed it on me. Oh. No, we did that one already. You didn't like that one. How about this one?
Oh yeah, she likes that one.
How about this one? Oh, notes.
Is there a guitar like Daddy plays?
Yeah, right here. Oh, dinosaurs. Here. Or how about this one?
She's doing it with her mouth.
There. Where's the drum? Oh. Oh, guitar. We heard one of those when we were outside.